Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to mint in the ROM Golden Age. First, you need to set up a secure digital wallet. This wallet will safely store your digital assets and any cryptocurrency you acquire. Next, ensure you have enough cryptocurrency to cover both transaction fees and the actual minting cost. Finally, identify the correct platform or marketplace where your specific digital assets can be minted. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth minting experience. Once your wallet is ready and funded, connect it securely to your chosen minting platform. It's vital to review the platform's specific minting requirements and guidelines thoroughly before proceeding. Every platform has unique rules regarding file types, sizes, and metadata. Make sure your digital asset files, whether images, audio, or video, meet all technical specifications. This preparation prevents common errors and ensures your asset is ready for creation. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, if your car smells less than golden, grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a classic for a reason. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now it's time to upload your prepared digital asset files to the minting platform. Double-check all the details you've entered, including any descriptions or properties. Before finalizing, carefully confirm all transaction details, especially the associated fees. These fees can vary, so be aware of the total cost. Finally, approve the transaction within your digital wallet. This action initiates the minting process, officially creating your new digital asset on the blockchain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.